my chickadees, welcome back to the Back 40. It is Margaret Miller Collage Weekly Challenge again, and this is week 18. Week 18, we have something that people collect, a geometric shape with at least 5 sides, something featuring a clock or time-related event, text in a foreign language, something with a spine, and bonus is a flower. Okay, here we go. This is what I did. We have the innards of a watch, the gears and all that behind here. We also have a recipe, so that's time related. For my foreign language, I have this nice little kitchen dictionary book page behind it because sometimes the English language is a foreign language to me. Just saying. Sometimes. Juju got the problem. Okay. Then the geometric shape, which I may or may not have done, was this label. It had some sides. I counted more than 5. So, hey, angles, sides to me. Okay. Then something people collect with a spine is a books. And there's my flowers. And here's my flowers. That is it, my peoples. Then for good measure, I put this pretty little trim that I got at Big Mama's down the side here. And I think that's something that Nakia maybe sent. I'm not sure, but I got that down the side there to match the peach in there. And that is our week 18 all put to bed. I hope y'all enjoying yourself as much as I am, because I'm having a good time. And when we get to 20, we're going to do a 20-week review and see how much Juju has improved on this collage business. All right. Y'all have a good one. See you next time. Bye. Love you.